Do you know how the airplane was invented and the interesting background stories of imagination, ambition, and persistence? The invention of the airplane is a fascinating tale of ambition, ingenuity, and persistence. Here are key background stories that led to the first successful powered flight by the Wright brothers in 1903, early theories and gliders. 1. Ancient dreams of flight. Throughout history, humans have dreamed of flight. Mythological tales like Icarus and Daedalus, who attempted to fly with wings made of feathers and wax, highlight this ancient ambition. Leonardo da Vinci in the 15th century studied bird flight and designed several flying machines, though none were built in his time. 2. 19th century pioneers. In the 19th century, Sir George Cayley, often called the father of aerodynamics, made significant contributions. He identified the 4 forces of flight: lift, thrust, drag, and weight. Cayley also built a successful glider in 1853 which carried a human passenger. Breakthroughs in powered flight. 1. Otto Lilienthal's gliding experiments. In the late 19th century, German aviation pioneer Otto Lilienthal made over 2,000 glides. His extensive studies on aerodynamics and wing structures laid crucial groundwork for future aviators. His tragic death in a gliding accident in 1896 underscored the dangers and challenges of early flight experiments. 2. Samuel Langley's aerodrome. Samuel Langley, an American astronomer and physicist, also attempted powered flight. In the 1890s, he developed a series of steam-powered unmanned models, and later, a full-scale manned version called the aerodrome. However, his attempts in 1903 ended in failure as the aerodrome crashed twice during launch. The Wright brothers' success 1. Background of the Wright brothers: Wilbur and Orville Wright, 2 brothers from Dayton, Ohio, ran a bicycle shop which honed their mechanical skills. Their systematic approach to solving the problems of flight was key to their success. 2. Methodical approach to flight. Unlike their predecessors, the Wright brothers conducted detailed research and testing. They built a wind tunnel to test wing designs and focused on developing effective control systems. Their invention of 3-axis control, pitch, roll, and yaw, was revolutionary, allowing the pilot to steer the aircraft effectively. 3. First powered flight. On December 17, 1903, near Kittyhawk, North Carolina, the Wright brothers made the first controlled, sustained flight of a powered, heavier-than-air aircraft. Orville piloted the first flight, which lasted 12 seconds and covered 120 feet. They made 4 flights that day, with Wilbur's final flight lasting 59 seconds and covering 852 feet. Post-Wright brothers developments. 1. Recognition and advancements. Initially, the Wright brothers' achievements were met with skepticism. Over time, they gained recognition, especially after their public flights in Europe in 1908 to 1909. This sparked a flurry of developments in aviation technology. 2. World War I and beyond. The onset of World War I accelerated aircraft innovation as nations saw the strategic military potential of airplanes. By the end of the war, aviation technology had advanced significantly, setting the stage for the commercial and military aviation industries that followed. The story of the airplane is a testament to human perseverance and the relentless pursuit of a dream that had spanned centuries.